the color's right, I think. I really like the color, but the flat part, the flat sheen doesn't really work. So let me see if I can get the interior out of the cab. Welcome back to the workbench where we try to make things. And we're continuing to try to make today is Revell's Ford FD-100 pickup, the Foose design kit put out a while back that we are doing quite a bit different. So if you'd like to get caught up on those differences, there's a playlist down in the description where you can get completely caught up to where we are right now. And where we are right now is finally deciding on and painting the interior of the truck. So we've gone through a few different colors, trying to figure out what the best color for the leather we want to use on the interior of the truck can be. And I picked up a couple more colors and a couple more colors of paint. And I thought what I'd do, since I picked up two, I would just paint one seat one color and the other seat the other color, so I can take a nice look at which color I liked better. And I even put them in the cab, kind of set them in there with the console, that two yellow color that we had. And I think what I ended up really going on, or going for, I guess should say, is this flat earth color. So it's just earth, but it's in a flat tone. So let's take a closer look, and I'll show you how that's, the color's right, I think. I really like the color, but the flat part, the flat sheen doesn't really work. So let me see if I can get the interior out of the cab real quick, if I can, without completely breaking everything. There we go. So we can see, let me put it back together. I like this color. This is kind of how this is going to look. So I painted the seats, the door cards or door panels, the dash pad part. Now I did paint in some black also, just to kind of frame it in a little bit, but all the black has not been painted in yet. So all the color is not in yet. The center console is just all the leather color. Something got on the seat here. I don't know what that is. But it gives us an idea, kind of like a blocked in color of, it's a blocked in look of what the color is going to look like. And I like it. I like it a lot. I like this color. I like this brown or earth color. But again, it's just too flat toned. So I think I'm going to end up having to probably spray it, I think, with a semi-gloss clear. I think we'll do the trick. I don't know what got on the seat. So I'll spray it all with a semi-gloss clear. Of course, I'll retape the body color because I want that to stay a higher gloss. But I think that'll probably give us what we're after. At least I'm hoping so. Of course, we'll be also putting in carpet. We'll be a steering wheel and a steering column. There'll be the rest of the interior. But you know what? Let me go ahead and I'll go ahead and take it apart. And you can, I'll take one panel off. How about that? So you can kind of see what the door panels are going to look like. So I left a black insert for the little pull handle. The kick panels are black, which I like because it just kind of makes them disappear. They just kind of, you know what I mean? They just disappear back in there. You can't, we can look from this side. You can't even see them back in there. They just they're going to just disappear in the carpet, which is exactly what I wanted to happen. As far as the dash goes, I'm going to leave the dash pad. So this whole surrounding part, all this is going to be, well, I guess we'll call it the earth color or the leather color we're using. From here down is going to be black. All this is going to be black. And then this, I think this insert right here is going to be black. I think I might actually do that. I wonder if this insert should be body color. Probably should have painted it already, but I can get in there. I think I can tape that up. I don't know. I'm gonna have to decide, because we have this insert right in here. So all around here is dash pad, which is going to stay the leather color, right? Let me know what color you think you would do in here. Would you just do it black? I'm pretty sure I want this from here down to be black, because then that'll match the kick panels and all that's going on down there. But as far as the insert here, and I don't know, I guess it would probably be all this. The vents, I think I would do black, right? For sure. But all this area in here, do we do it body color or do we do it black? And before I do that, I got to remember, I'm going to be cutting out, or I need to go ahead and cut out the dash or the gauge cluster and the little info center thing here, because I need to put the decals for those on some clear acrylic, because we're going to put a light in behind here and we're going to light up the dash, which will run that we'll run the actual light up through the center console and then up behind the dash there for that light. We will also be putting a light back here in the, make sure you can see it back here in the subwoofer enclosure that's going to be in the back. Now remember, there's a panel that goes on top here. In fact, there's a panel that covers all this. So we'll have it glowing from the front and through the top. I got to decide how I want to do that light. That's the only thing I've really got to look at is where do I guess I'll put it in the center, the middle chamber there, I guess. But then the baskets are chrome, so it kind of makes more sense to have. I got to figure out how I'm going to light that. I'd really like to light it up. I think that would look good. I'm sorry, I figured out how to do that. I had thought about doing a dome light, but I don't know how I would get the wire up there. I mean, obviously I could run it up the A-pillar or whatever, but then that wire would be exposed to a dome light there. I mean, I don't want to have to actually, I could build an A-pillar. No, I don't really want to do that because these trucks wouldn't have upholstered A-pillars, right? They would just have body color A-pillars. So I might not do the dome light. I might just let the dash kind of light up. Maybe I could do a footwheel. I don't know, but maybe I think I'll just let the dash light up the interior. The other light that I was going to do is under the hood. So I was going to run a wire, the wire up here, and just do an under hood dash so that when it's sitting here with the hood open, it's lighting up when it's on the display and everything's lit up. It's lighting up the motor, which I think would look really nice, give you a good view of the motor. But the point being is I've got to cut this stuff out here because we are definitely going to add lights to the dash. Yeah, so I've got to figure, I think that's probably next step. Next step? Is that a step? But that's the next step I think I'm going to take is, getting that figured out. I'm also going to tape this back on here so I can take a thumbnail picture. But I think that's where we're at. So let me know if you like the brown color for the leather. I think I do. I think I'm going to go with it. So I'm going to go ahead and paint in the black brackets, whatever that's holding the seats. I'm going to go ahead and paint in, I guess, well, I'll go ahead and paint in the black here, and then I'll wait and see your comments to decide what we want to do for the center insert there. I'm going to go ahead and start painting up the center console so that I can get it all sprayed with a semi-gloss. I think that's probably the best bet is like a semi-gloss clear. So I'll have to go get some semi-gloss clear. And then I guess I'll just wait till the wife's out of the house and spray it inside. It is so hot outside, and I don't have the AC in the new garage studio yet. Man, it's going to be so nice once that goes in because then that's where the spray booth is, and it'll be perfect temperature and no humidity. So but right now, it's tough to spray out there. I was spraying this stuff, and it was really trying to spit and spatter because it just dries so quick when it's, especially when it feels like 100 degrees out there with a ton of humidity. So it was really tough to get this stuff even painted for you guys so we could take a look at it. But anyways, I've got a lot to do because I've got to work on that today. I got to get back to working on the all the electrical stuff out there. So let me know what you think on the colors. I think it's gonna work. I think this is finally the color that will work, the earth color, the flat earth. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button if you've enjoyed this. Hit the subscribe button if you want to keep up with these builds and all this stuff. I don't know. Do all those things everybody tells you to do on YouTube. I got a lot of work to do on this interior, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.